Ira, he's making crystal meth. Get in here, Ira.
Hmm?
I hate to have to do this. Look.
Holy.
I know.
Holy
He's breaking bad.
guacamole.
And read his note. It screams of I'm doing drugs.
He did drugs. Let's go.
Let's
Wait,
go.
actually, who gave Virgil a gun?
One of us now. A cougar. We're a team that helps each other.
Actually, he killed a cougar, which is an endangered species and is supposed to be protected.
Right into the drinking
Virgil,
water.
excuse me. Excuse me, Virgil. I found a
that's one of the
sad man
quests.
locked in Virgil's basement. Look.
Oh.
In time.
No, I won't.
Yes, you will. Stop. You know, I'm gonna tell Mom. Okay, I'm telling Mom, because you're lying. You're just lying.
I'm being as honest as a fruit whistle on a Sunday afternoon.
Fruit whistles on Sundays are the most biggest liars of them all.
That is so Cap, Junior.
Yeah, well, you know what? Cap means accurate, so...
No, it doesn't. That means
Yeah, it
lie.
does. No, it doesn't, Ira. It means it's such a truth. That's what Cap
No,
means.
no, it
It
doesn't.
says, what's happening, Captain? We got him.
Oh!
He's dead. What the hell? Ooh, Ira, hey, whatever's over there seems like serious business. That was intense. Hey, look, Ira, I can see you through this ceiling.
I see you, yes.
Yeah, we're best friends.
I don't know about that, but
There's a guy. Got him.
nice.
Got him.
That was a civilian.
Well, that explains why he wasn't prepared to die.
That explains why he was so innocent in his passing. What's the worst that could happen?
Like, you know, my head could be taken off of my body is all.
Nah.
It's not a very big deal, though. I can always do
Yeah.
it. Oh my god, we ran over her flowers. That's exactly what she told us not to. Wait, he said never go in the white flowers, remember? Whatever you do, don't
I'm
go.
sure
Oh!
it'll.
Oh, my face!
Hop out! Run out!
Oh!
Run out of the. Get out of the.
Wait, Ira, I'm dying. Help.
I'm getting you up.
Oh my god.
Oh no, I'm on fire.
I'm on fire too.
Press
Run in
control.
the
Press
flowers.
control.
Run in the flowers like he told us never to do.
And where are you? Oh, there
I'm
you
in
are.
the flowers.
Why are you in the flowers?
Because they
Get
have,
out of the flowers.
they have healing ability.
No, they don't.
Love those flowers.
And then
Was
a
this
scroll
your
where
car?
you're. Yep. Get in this airplane.
Well, wait for me. Alright,
I don't
go.
wanna.
Get going.
Okay, this is a bad idea, but I'm gonna do it.
So ready.
Oh! What? Are you kidding me?
It's a good thing I was on top.
Are you actually joking me right now?
I'm totally serious. Oh, Ira, there's a helicopter. Yeah.
Oh! This is the worst.
No, Ira. This helicopter's about to be ours.
Something
Oh,
tells me
shit.
that when it lands in the river, it's not gonna be ours.
Use control. I'm using a med kit underwater. Very
Alright, it's
nice.
ours now.
Nice.
Why do they all know where we are all of a sudden? This is the
Because
worst.
we shot down a helicopter and that's kind of loud.
It was before that. They knew before.
That's fine.
Hold on a
He probably
second.
did something.
We're swimming.
Wow. We're so close.
Is there a
It's
helicopter?
late.
There's a helicopter right above us.
I don't see it, so it is not there. Is this the mission?
No, the mission is to infiltrate that place right across the river
No
from
worries,
here.
I'm stealthy as hell.
Alright, yeah, you go in. I'll try to do the fish strat.
How does that work?
Well, the joke is that there is no fish strat.
Oh, I see. No worries. Under the water is very sparkly because it's contaminated with drugs and hope. So, yeah, it should be fine. See, I'm Glitter McSparkle Pants. That's what they call me. So, when I get put in glitter, it actually doesn't negatively affect my health at all. Ira,
Yeah.
you're not listening to me. What did I just say?
This fishing is, you said glitter sparkle paints.
What about it?
Oh yeah, no, that I wasn't. It's all sparkly.
No, I'm immune to glitter sickness.
Rook, I don't think those were rumors. The scout team just reported.
All right, I'm ready to
enemies
focus
the
now.
heading your way.
I failed to catch the fish because of
You
you.
only have a few minutes to secure that area. Move carefully in there. They probably have hostages.
All right, you know what he said. Be very silent, or else they'll kill the hostages.
Oh shit, my gun was out of ammo.
Do you see it?
Uh-oh.
Poor souls who struggle with death.
I found a hostage. I'm letting them go. You're liberated. Consider yourself squeaky clean from sin. Oh yeah, I just heard his screams.
Trees, we're coming in.
Oh,
Oh, I found one.
They know you're there, Rook. They just called for reinforcements. Watch yourself.
I don't know if we even need reinforcements because I haven't seen a single enemy anywhere. Oh, I found them. Ira, they shot me off the ladder. Help.
uh-oh.
Ira.
Duh.
Oh God. Oh,
What's up?
Hey, how you doing? Thank you very much. You good? I
Yep.
heard a crunch. The crunch of your
Yeah, that
ankle.
was somebody else's skull. Don't worry.
Why do they make guns sound so nice?
They shoot guns in the studio, and then they shoot them at the actual voice actors to simulate what it would actually be like.
Ira, this armored guy is super difficult.
Yeah, there's two of them coming in.
Wait, I have an idea. Oh shoot, Ira, he got me.
On my way up.
Okay, I'll cling to life. Ira, I'm
Get
gonna,
up, soldier.
I'm gonna go up to the armored guy and try to get him melee and see if that's the solution.
Oh wait, we could explode them.
Yeah, that's what I tried to do, but then they hit me. And I
Oh,
fell.
okay, okay.
Armored guy. Where are you, armored guy? Ira, where's the armored guy? Ira, I can't see anyone. Oh, shoot. Ira?
Oh, I'm dead.
Me too.
Oh, okay. Well, on the bright side, we probably almost did it.